Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you an automation that scrapes any public online directory across multiple pages, deduplicates the records, and exports a clean CSV without you touching a browser. Building prospect lists by hand takes days and still comes back with duplicates and missing fields. This automation solves it. Let me walk you through how it works.
Hello, I wanted to demonstrate my automation that takes an online directory. In this case, it's a directory for employees and advisors, and using their online directory goes through and searches state by state each of the roster contacts and pulls them down and dumps everything to a CSV file. The client wanted one CSV file per state, and so that's what we did. In this particular one is the state of California. It has 11 pages. The structure of their site requests. The first page has a GET request, and each subsequent page has a POST request. We created this automation to pull all that. With 24 to 25 employees per page, should be able to get somewhere in the neighborhood of 200. So we're going to run it now for you to see it. A manual trigger triggers the current process. This is where I code the states. Get the first page GET request, and then gets it data and parses it, and then it goes through and loop second page, third page, and so on, until it reaches the last page, and then it dumps everything to a CSV file. From here, I could do everything I want with it. I could take it and enrich it with LinkedIn information, or just check the email addresses around it and so forth. As you can see, I ran through each time page to the next page and so on. There's a 3-second delay for each and every one of these so that we can give the search engine kind of a break and make sure that we're able to not get blacklisted. We're already on page 9, 10, and 11, and then it wrote it to file. We captured about 265 total employees out of that. And now we can use it and enrich it and figure out what we want to do with it. Thank you.
So that's the web directory scraper in action. You'll be amazed how much manual work disappears when the right automation kicks in. Visit n8n and schedule a call. We'll scope it, size it, and give you a straight price.